TrueClient Pro, when you're looking to track budget for your client for a wedding or an event or a project, you can go to the project itself and then edit the project to start with. Click on edit icon, and then on the left side, the menu scroll all the way down till you see budget tracking. Click on budget tracking, and then on the upper right hand corner, click add new budget tracking. Give this budget tracking a name. So here we can say it is a wedding, and then we're going to give it, let's say $50,000 for the wedding, and then click save. Once you've clicked save, you're able to write notes up on the top paragraph, bottom paragraph, and then we can also start adding budget one at a time. So for example, we can say we're going to ask florist number 1 to say our budget is 10%. What can you actually propose in the items that we need? You could approach it this way. You could go ahead and simply just list out the names of all the vendors and then continue to add. When you do this, it's going to show you what your initial budget is and what your total is and what the percentage is compared to the dollar value that you put in. Now let's say a florist came back with a budget. So you can edit this and you can go ahead and say, actually it turned out to be $5,400, and how much did we pay down? So we can say we put down, for example, $2,000. You could even choose a vendor, like which vendor did you choose? If this was related to the venue, you can choose a venue. You can also say, when is the rest of the amount due? As a planner, you don't need to know every single date. You just need to probably know the next payment due or the last payment due, however your system works. So this is not for you to manage your client's payment, but it is more for you to have a reminder, especially if you're doing full planning, to know if the client's paid up or not and what have you. You can always write unlimited notes right in this section. And if you noticed that the minute we had put down the budget and the actual, and it tells you not only the due, but it also tells you the difference here, which is fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and click save. And if you noticed in this column, it shows that as well. So this is a powerful tool to use to create a budget for the project. Now, how can we use this differently? So for example, I'm just going to create another template for you guys. Let's go ahead and create a second template. Here, I'm going to say the project expenses. And I'm going to say the client's paying me, let's say for example, $5,000 for this project. I can write down food or meals, and we can say, let's say we have $200 for that. We can also say, if you're a florist, we can say flowers, and we can say $750 just for now. Our supplies, we can make budget for, let's say, $300. Let's go ahead and do staff and labor. I'm just going to put higher amount. You see how you're able to track all your expenses. You can even say you're to purchase an insurance. So get down to the nitty-gritty expenses, and this is going to help you understand your profit. So we're going to say you purchased an insurance one-off, and you can see and you're able to track, so you can actually create your profit and have an idea in your head like how much money you're going to make. Budget tracking, you can use it any way you like. I hope you use this every project and make the best of it. If you need any further information about the budget tracking, on the lower right hand corner, there's a chat box and there is a key search word. You can look for the keyword budget tracking or scroll all the way down and find all the articles and read all about it. If you still need help, you can email us at support@trueclientpro.com.